Hey guys, it's your girl Jordan, and today I'll be teaching you guys a dance tutorial to Captain Hook by Stallion. So I'm going to show you how it looks first, and then we can do a quick stretch, and then we can get straight into the tutorial.
You don't even know about the other bells. Need a Mr. Clean, make that pussy clean. Just might need a baker, make that pussy cream. Okay, you pull up mad at me before you brush your teeth. That shit super sad, fucking carpe diem. I'm so indecisive, you can't cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like an icy. Bitches bite me so I had to put them on a diet. Bitches ain't no child, so the hoe you better not try me. I got a man, I got a bitch, I'm a banana, they got split, wanna get top.
Okay, ladies and gents, so we're gonna start stretching now. Nothing too crazy, because you know it's really not that much movement or nothing. I was trying not to do too much movement with this backdrop and everything, so if you see me holding back a little bit, you know why. Okay, honey? But don't hold back at home. Alright, we're gonna open up, reach up, reach for the floor, touch your toes. Those muscles warmed up, because we need these hamstrings to be warm. To be warm, just in case y'all didn't hear me. Sorry. I don't want y'all to think I'm yelling at y'all, but I need to make sure like my voice is traveling, because I don't know if this camera can pick up all those sounds. Okay, we're gonna turn, stretch out the back hamstring of the left leg. And same thing on the other side. Here, reach over, try to reach for the other wall. If you have a wall there, just reach for the wall, and this arm is reaching opposite direction. Slow. Reach over. This feels great. Pulling opposite direction. Really should feel this right here. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna start with the left leg back, right leg forward, okay? And we're gonna bring this arm up, and we're gonna bring this arm up here to the ear. And what your leg is gonna do is gonna do this 1, 2. You're gonna hit, 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 trying to get this hip front, basically, just like up, not really, up, not really. Okay. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this front leg is bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try that. So this is 4 times. 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is only 1, 2, and then this is 1, 2. Okay, so let's try that all together. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this arm thing is actually very fast. So we can do that the tempo. We can do the dance the tempo later, but I want y'all to get the moves down first. Okay, so after 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna go. Which is it, right leg or front leg? And then you're gonna do like a boom. Okay? So it's gonna start from the hips, and you're gonna roll up and then boom. Okay, so it starts with the body, and then you're gonna go back, boom, like make it like a whoosh, boosh, boosh, like that. Okay, so you're gonna contract right there. Okay, so let's try it all from the top. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you gotta step out. Simple. But the simple things, you gotta make it look super big. Okay, so you gotta go 1, 2. Okay, and the arms are kind of like here, making a ball with our fist, ball of your fist, and yeah, like that. Okay, then go 1, 2. Then you're gonna go here like you're stirring a pot. I think she says like, actually I'm not gonna say the words out loud because it's kind of nasty. But I mean, what is the lyrics? She said something about a baker. Yeah, she said something about a baker, so we baking. Stirring up the pot. And drop. Okay? Period. So let's start here. Boom, boom, boom. Make that cream. Okay, you can be like, okay, you. Like, who are you talking to? Like, you. Okay, you. Woke up mad at me. You can go like me, or you can go like me. Like, feel yourself in this move. Do what you feel, but still you gotta make it big. Like me. So I go like this, me. So I go like thumbs, and I go like here, and I go whoosh, me. For you ain't brush your teeth. That super sad. F it carpe diem. Okay? So, starting from here. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, you woke up mad at me. You ain't even brushed your teeth. That shit sad. Carpe diem. Oh, I mean to curse. I did not mean to curse. But it's like, that is super sad. You like, that's sad. Or you can go like sad, or you can go like sad. You go like sad, sad. And then you're gonna go carpe diem. Okay? So with this move, it's kind of like toe, heel, toe, heel. Okay, so starting with the left arm here, toe, heel. You're gonna bring the left leg up, toe with the left, boom, and you switch. Pretty simple, right? And it comes like Okay, so it's gonna be like, is it left leg or right leg? Okay, boom, 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 boom. That simple. Okay, so let's start. That shit said, carpe diem. I'm so indecisive. You can't. I'm wifey. Okay, Annie? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're gonna bring this leg on 8 when she says wifey, basically. So let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, contract in, thrust, out on 8. Okay? So we just went through a lot. So we're gonna rewind that back. Okay, honey? Period. And feel free to go back and redo it if you want to. It's up to you, sis. Just make sure you got it. Please, I want to see y'all do this dance. So send it to me, post it, and tag me. You don't even have to post it. You can just send it to me privately. Send it to my Instagram at Jordan Gastion. That's JordanGastion. And some of you have my other Instagram, and y'all can send it to there too. And what else? or y'all can email. Shoot. Anyways, let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you woke up mad at me. You ain't brushed your teeth. Look on like teeth, like really? Third, that super sad. Carpe diem. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I guess we can keep moving. I was gonna go through it again, but y'all can do that and rewind back. That's why I wanted to do it on YouTube, so y'all can rewind and stuff like that. Okay, or y'all can even play it back in slow motion, cause YouTube is just fine like that. So y'all can even play it back slow motion or speed it up, even going too slow for you. Okay, so wide feet. Okay, and then which leg is this? Y'all seen that move before. So you're here and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna push back and 4. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, try it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make it real, like whoo, on 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think I did the wrong one actually. Okay, I don't know what just happened. It just stopped recording. So, anyways, we're back. We're back. Slurping like an iced tea. Call me something. Had to put them on a diet. Okay, so for this part, after you go right, then left, right, left. To jump into this move, it's like boom, boom. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like a jump and a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So for this move, you're in a squat, and you're just gonna in this plie you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. So your hip is moving up on each count. So yeah, we doing that. Yeah, we doing that. So get her ready. Stretch her out. Okay, because it's 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay, it's just 3. Okay, so 1, 2, put them on a diet. This ain't no tryout solo. Don't you try me. Okay? That's just that I'm not gonna tell you stop playing with you. Tell these little girls stop playing with you. This ain't no tryout. Stop trying me. Don't try me. Okay. So let's start from this part. 1, 2, that 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's left over right actually, and you're gonna go step, turn, step, turn. It's kind of like a twist motion, but you are actually stepping up each time, and your arms are just pressing down twice. So it's 1 and 1. So it's not even a 1 and 2. It's 1 and 1. Okay. And when you do that move, you gotta look at them straight, and they gotta like, don't play with me. Okay, and just walk up like you just that. You just that. I'm not gonna curse no more, but you know what I'm trying to say. You just that girl, okay, honey? So yeah, let's try it from the top. Okay, and then we're gonna go full tempo after that. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Make that cream. Ooh, my heart, excuse me. Cream. Okay, you woke up mad at me. You wouldn't even brush your teeth. that super sad carpe diem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Period. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I'm really restraining right now because I'm really not trying to fall on this little thing right here. So like I said, don't hold back at home. But just know we don't have a whole lot of space to work with here. Okay? And I'm not trying to fall. So full tempo, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ooh, ooh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you woke up mad at me. You ain't gonna brush your teeth. That super sad. Carpe diem. 1, 2, 3. I'm wifey. Hey, wanna start me like an icy? Call me, had to on a diet. This ain't no trial solo. Why don't you try me? Okay. I was feeling that one. I might take my shoes off actually. Yeah, so we're gonna do the music now. We did it. That is it. That is the entire dance. Okay? I tried to keep it short and cute, short and sweet, short and simple, because I want everybody to do it. And yeah, this should be super fun. I can't wait to see you guys do it.
But jealousy don't even know about the other belly. I need a Mr. Clean, make that pussy clean. Okay, I just might need a baker, make that pussy cream. Okay, you woke up mad at me before you brush your teeth. That shit super sad. Look at carpe diem. I'm so indecisive, you can't cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like an icy. Bitches bite me so I have to put them on a diet. Bitches ain't no child, so the hoe you better try me. Hey, where this rain? Give some brain. I go shopping. He was tripping, so I hung out with him. I'm a rapper, not a motherfucking model. Got a nigga, but I think I'll have enough.
When y'all see it, when y'all see this video, it's hot. When y'all see this video, y'all not gonna hear the music. You're probably not gonna hear the music. I'm probably not gonna put the music in the video because I don't want to get copyright messages or anything. I don't want them to block it because of that. So if you don't hear the music playing while I'm doing the dance, you know why. Okay? And that's just that on that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more. And I will be doing more videos. So y'all get ready. Okay? And that's just that on that. Bye!